to my channel, Sky Lexis. So guys, where am I? I'm here in Tucklesholme Quarry, which is the new adventure that I've been discovered. A new place that I've been discovered. So let's go guys, and let's see in here what's in here guys. So I've been confused as well because I'm new in this place. So we are still newbies in this area, so we don't know where we're gonna go because I don't know. I really don't know. So but just a quick review guys. So this place is a Tucklesholme Nature Reserve. So there's a lot of birds in here, different kinds of species of birds. That's what they've said. But yeah, let's see if we can see a little birds in here. So this said this is old quarry before guys, okay, before, but now I don't know what it is, but this is on this, as we can see, this is it now. So it's a bit little windy in here guys, so basically you can hear like that sound, so it's a bit weird. I don't have a mic at the moment, so just bear with me, okay? So come and let's go that side. Have a walkie. So I actually guys, there's a lot of beautiful flowers in here, inside of me, to the left, to the right, because it's still summer. So yes, we can see a lot of beautiful flowers in here also, okay? That's a good thing in here in England guys, because everything is unpredictable. So in a day, you experience already 4 seasons already, which is summer, autumn, spring, and winter. So yes, that's why it is in England, very unpredictable. It's look like a moody in here, to be honest. But yes, even though you're alone or anything, if you're lonely, you just come in this place, and then you're gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome guys. Actually, it's my first time and I'm so amazed with this place, because look at the view guys. You won't be able to, feel sad. You're gonna be feel happy and have a good vibes as well. I thought as well that it's so very cold because it's so windy, and look at as well the weather. It's not that good, but yes, a bit warm because maybe it's still summer, isn't it? Summer will end on September, so yeah, feel free. So no need jacket at the moment. So I wear this one just in case, because I'm too slim, too sexy at the moment. So that's why I feel cold. So yeah, yes guys, I'll take you there. Come on, let's have a walk. So how about that guys? Did you enjoy it? This is only a first stop in here, so have to keep walking and walking and walking and walking. But yes, there's a lot of people in here bringing their dogs. That's their hobby, especially with the English people. So that's the way it is. Even if it's any kind of people, it could be young, it could be old, or anything. So yes, that's why it is in here guys. And look at what I look in here guys. There's a sitting area, so if you need to rest, you can rest. So like this, or like this flower. So what the color for tap. So this is it guys. If you're already tired, you need to sit down and you need to rest. So it's look like in life guys. So if you're already exhausted or anything, if you're depressed or anything, or if you have lots of problem, or you're already overexhausted in life, you need to rest. So that's kind of life that we have. So we need to sit down, sit back and relax and look at it to the back, or you need to proceed. So that's life guys, right? So all we have to do now is just proceed. So let's go move forward in our life. That's what it is. So yeah, let's go in it guys. Let's pursue before we're gonna be reach our end. Parang. Ay guys, no speed ako ngayon guys super English ako, so I have to use Taglish in here, a Filipino, English, or Bisaya, okay? I'm a Filipino, I'm a Bisaya, so yes, I'm trying hard to speak English at the moment, so yeah, because that's how it is in here. So yes guys, so coming here, whew, I hope that we're able to reach our destination guys, but I'm pretty excited at the moment. So yes, that's what's the life in here. Look at the trees, so greeny. Wow. So, yun na nga guys. So, as you can see here, wow, look at that. There's a big swan. I thought what's happening here. So, that's the area guys. Oh. So, ganito lang siya. It's a bit breezy. Kasi napaka-windy niya. So, you need to walk there for 45 minutes. Look at the swan there. So good, right guys? They're flying here as well. So yes, just like that guys. So awesome and so nice. So, people in here do jogging. Ganun lang guys, ang life dito. Jogging, sightseeing, beautiful. So yun. Not really expect, but that's the life in here. Keep moving and keep going in life. There's nothing wrong to be having if you have mistakes or failures in life. Don't be discouraged with that. Take it as a challenge and take it as a courage that you need to stand up and fight again to all your dreams. Fight all your dreams that you wanted. Remember, you have your goal in life. So that's why all you have to do is just keep moving forward. So in this side guys, as you can see there, so much beautiful, isn't it? So that's a flower guys, to be honest, but that's a different kind of varieties or species of flowers. So back in here, so that is it. There's a lot of swans, to be honest guys. Look. So yes, that's what it is in here. So we have to keep moving. Two kinds of lakes in here. So basically guys, lake na to siya. Kasi di siya nag-move. So yes, ito lang buhay dito guys. Kasi minsan we need to go out to divert other activities. Kasi hirap pag nasa bahay ka lang, magiging depressed ka. So mintras summer, so just go back. Oh, look at that, there's a train. Whoa, there's a big train, but a small train. So yes guys, I have a friend. Actually she's so a bit shy, but not totally a bit shy because she gotta take place. But yeah. So yes, my friend, what can you see about this lake?
The first time I visited, and it's very nice, very beautiful, very peaceful, and I'm enjoying the walk. It's not too cold, although the weather looks pretty windy, which it is, but it's very warm at the same time. So it's very deceiving because I bought a coat with me thinking it's going to be freezing, but I've left the coat in the car. And I actually liked this place because it's good for your mental health, walking, being locked indoors all the time. It's not great. And the bonus is it's not cost us anything, has it? It's absolutely free. The parking was free. I've actually enjoyed myself, so thank you very much for bringing me along. I've appreciated it massively.
You're welcome. My pleasure, my friend. It's just an honor to invite you in here as well.
Honor to be with you. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much too. Don't cry. Let's have fun and see what is in here. This is the bridge. So let's go in this side. Oh no, I think it's look like here.
Oh, very nice.
Hmm.
Looks like a bit like a beachfront.
Yeah,
Rocky and pebbly.
so nice. It's look like Dolomite Beach in Manila Bay. We found the bridge, guys! Ah, the bridge. What can you say, my friend?
Beautiful. Very nice.
Look at that. Hi guys, this is the second lakes in here. So such a beautiful place, guys. So yes, guys. You can see there. There's a little birds there, actually. So guys, don't forget to comment down below what bird did you see at the back on my video. Okay. So by the way, guys, this is Sky Lexus. Don't forget to like. Comment what bird did you see on this video and share. Until next time, guys, see you.